October, so you know how it's about to go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Perry, and if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope that you like it. So I didn't plan on filming on Christmas, but of course I got a few new makeup items for Christmas, and I want to do like a little first impression. And plus I haven't been on my channel in a long time. Plus I finally cleaned my brushes, so I got clean brushes and I got some new makeup. So I'm like, why not go ahead and just film a video? But yeah, I really missed filming, and even though this look is gonna be kind of natural, I just wanted to come on here and film it anyway. So yeah, let's get into the video. Merry Christmas to y'all. Well, by the time y'all see this, Christmas will be over, but I hope that y'all had an amazing Christmas. It is 12:20 p.m. right now. I talked to my nieces this morning at 6 o'clock a.m. Since they live in Georgia, it was 7 there. I saw them open up their gifts. My boyfriend and I opened up our gifts together, and so it's really been a great Christmas morning. Like, it could not have been better. After I get done with my makeup, I'm gonna go to my mom's house so I can give her and my stepdad their gifts. And yeah, today has just been a great day. I'm so grateful, and I just pray that it's the same for y'all. So yeah, let's jump right on into this makeup because I'm excited to use my new stuff. So yeah. Okay, so my brows are done, and now we can move on to eye makeup. So for eye makeup, I'm gonna be using this Fenty Snap Shadows palette, and it's the number 9 Wine. It looks like this. Excuse my nails, y'all. I have not had time to get my nails done. And this is what the colors look like. They are so pretty. We have Rose Spritz, Pop the Cork, Bottle Service, Pinot Please. We have Sherry Fairy, and She Bubbly. And it also comes with a mirror on here. But yes, since I want to do like a little natural look, these should be perfect. All right, I had to zoom y'all in a little bit. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eyes, and I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, like always. All right, my eyes are primed. So, ooh, I don't even know which colors I want to use. They're all so pretty. Okay, first I think I'm going to do Pop the Cork, and I'm going to put that's this color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Oh my gosh, and as y'all can see, it blended out so easily and pretty. But I don't know what else I expected from Fenty Beauty, so of course. This color is so pretty. It's like the perfect shade of brown. It's not too warm, but it's not too cool, and it's just the perfect transition shade. But you can also deepen it up and it'll be the perfect crease shade, so love that. Then I'm going to, just because I want to use this color because I want to see what it looks like on, I'm going to go in with, I hope I'm saying these names right. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah. So actually the brown color is called Sherry Fairy, I think. And then I'm going to use Pop the Cork next. And it's like a darker brown. And it has like some shimmers in it. I don't know if y'all can see that. But I'm going to take some of that, and I'm just going to put it on the outer edge of my eye. Ooh, I like that. I'm not sure if y'all can see. Yeah, I think that color is Pop the Cork, and the first one that I used, I'm really not sure. Yeah, I think that color is Pop the Cork. So the one I just put on my outer corner is Pop the Cork, and then the little brown that I was talking about is Sherry Fairy. Pop the Cork is definitely more warm. All right, so this is what it looks like when both of them are blended out. And I will say that these colors are very pretty and rich. Okay, for my lid, I think I want to use She Bubbly, and that's this like goldish champagne looking color. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. This goldish champagne color, She Bubbly. I'm gonna use that for my lid. All right, so this is what that looks like. Very pretty. I can't wait to use this little pink color. It's called bottle service. I cannot wait to use that, the one in the middle, but it won't match my outfit today, so I'm gonna wait on it. But I am going to use the Rose Spritz color, which is this creamy color right here, and I'm going to put that up under my brow bone, and I'm also gonna put a little of that in my inner corner just to brighten it up a little bit. All right, now let's move on to the face. Also, if y'all are wondering about this wig, this is a closure wig and some bundles that I made myself. I am not sure where I got this hair from because I've had it for so long, but if y'all want to see how to make a closure wig and apply it like this, then I definitely will make a video about it. Okay, and I'm just going to stick to the Fenty Beauty train. So I'm going to prime with the Soft Silk Pro Filter Primer. It's so, oh my god, it's so dirty. My freaking bronzer. My bronzer wasted in my makeup bag, and so now it's like brown spots on everything. But yeah, I'm going to prime with this. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Hydrating Longwear Pro Filter Foundation by Fenty Beauty, and I am in the shade 345. I also got a brand new beauty blender, which I'm so excited about, but I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty brush to apply this. I just love that this foundation matches perfectly in the winter and in the summer, which is so weird. And we love a versatile foundation. I think this foundation was only $35, but buying two of those, that's $70. So ain't nobody trying to do all that. But yes, I love this foundation, and my skin has been really dry lately because I've been using my acne medicine and it dries my skin out. So I definitely needed this hydrating foundation because it's cold outside today. So now after I have that blended out, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 25 medium. Also, I learned a new TikTok makeup hack. I'm actually gonna do a whole video doing TikTok makeup hacks, but apparently you're only supposed to put your concealer right here and then on the corner right here, and I'm about to see if it makes a difference. I don't know if I want to cream contour today. I don't think I want to, honestly, just because it's gonna be more work. But I am a cream contour fan now. Like, I love cream contour now, which is so weird because I was always a powder girl. But cream contour, you just be so snatched. Like, I love it. Wow. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I feel like it really made a difference. Like, my face looks more lifted. Okay, cool. So to set this, I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil powder. I really love this powder. Like, when I tell you, it makes you look so smooth, especially when you tap it in instead of like letting it bake. I'm actually just about to set my whole face with it. Then I'm going to go in with this Fit Me powder in the shade 330 to bring some color back into my face, and I'm going to tap it in first just to give me a little bit more coverage. Blend it out after. Alright, now on to my contour. I really need to get another bronzer. Like, it's terrible. It is terrible. Period. What's next? Put all my powders. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, my favorite. I also have been into like a more fluffy brow lately. Do I want to do eyeliner today? I applied some liner and some lashes, and I also put some mascara on the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm going to add some blush. I got this new blush. It's like a pinky color. Let me take it out and show y'all. Looks like this. It's really pretty. Now I'm going to move on to lips, and y'all already know I'm going in with my NYX lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Okay, Then the part I'm most excited about is I got these new YSL lipsticks. And I cannot wait to use them. I'm gonna show y'all all the colors I got. This color is the shade 1 and it's like a red. Very pretty, very Christmassy, but not today because I'm about to be eating. Also, I got the color 9 and it's like a mauvey nude color. It's really, really pretty. I might use this one today. It's between this one and this other nude I got. This one is in the shade 13 and it's another red, but it's more of an orangey red. And the last color is the color 70. Ooh, no, I'm gonna use this one today. This is like a perfect pink mauve everyday nude. This is what they look like next to each other. As y'all can see, this one is more, well, I don't even know. Well, yeah, I would say that this one over here is more purple and then this one is more nude. So I'm gonna use the more nude one. I'm so excited. I never use lipsticks. I always either use a gloss or like a liquid lipstick, so it feels so weird to put this on. I will say that it's very moisturizing. Like, I love how it feels on my lips. Since I can't find the gloss I really want to use, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Fenty Glow. It's one of my favorites too, so it's fine. All right, I'm going to go set my face and put my jewelry on, and then I will come back to show y'all the finished look. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching. This is the finished look. And for jewelry, I just put on this little simple chain necklace and my little gold watch. I really like how it turned out. I love my new products. This Fenty little snap palette is gonna be in the mix from now on because I love the colors. They're neutral and they're perfect for every day. The YSL lipstick, it's like the perfect pinky nude. And I usually don't really like nudes that are this pink, but this is kind of like a natural lip color looking pink, so I love it. Yeah, I really love how my makeup turned out. I'll show y'all my outfit now. So I'm just wearing this cream color, well, it's kind of white, this white bodysuit and these little plaid pants. This bodysuit came from Misguided and these pants came from Forever 21, I think. This is also the purse that I'm carrying today. It's from Forever 21 as well. But yeah, this is it. I think I'm just gonna put on some black boots with this and a little black jacket. But yeah, it's so cute with everything together. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it and using my new products. Once again, Merry Christmas. I hope that y'all had an amazing day. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.